1291 days in New Holland, Fingrid sitting at 22, which is fear, extreme fear, and Bitcoin is currently trading at 56.3k. We're still trading below the 58k resistance, below the 200 EMA on a 4-hour time frame, and pretty much all of the EMAs out there. Same goes to the daily time frame, below all of the EMAs, below the middle of the falling channel, and coming closer to the bottom of the falling channel. More and more articles are coming out from bearish analysts about Bitcoin possible to hit the 50k, to go back to the 50k, which will be technically the bottom of the falling channel. Again, if we're gonna have a breakout, that would be pretty bad, but for now on we're trading in the middle and the bottom of the falling channel, kind of in that range. When it comes for the weekly is it's not that bad looking actually. We got 50 EMA as a support, 20 EMA as a resistance. Nothing significant there, but when it comes to the candles, yeah, we're making new lows, but we still got some support there. Weekly MACD, no changes there, still in a red zone, nothing significant is happening there. When it comes to the monthly time frame, we got 20 EMA as a support on the previous candle, which was in August, was working for us pretty goodly as a support, 20 EMA on the monthly time frame, and that's pretty much all for the monthly. Again, everything else, no changes there. Again, pretty big time frame, hard to have some movement, to have big movement or a quick movement in just a couple of days. Give plenty of time for more, to have more data. So monthly MACD is still looking pretty bearish, still looking not great, giving us some bearish signal, finishing the green zone. When it comes to the candles, nothing significant. We're not making new lows, which is pretty good. So yeah, it's pretty much all for the Bitcoin. Let's move to Ethereum. Ethereum, as you can imagine, correlating with the Bitcoin, no change there. Ethereum BTC pair sitting at the bottom of the falling wedge. BTC dominance had recently got rejected from the 57.5 5% resistance, no breakout out of there. So now we're having some pullback there, 57.4%. And Ethereum is pretty much flat, sitting at a 2-year low when it comes to the dominance, 14.7%. Some dominance went to the from Bitcoin went to the stable coins, as you can imagine. S&P continuing to have a pullback. Yeah, it's had recently at the beginning of the previous month had a V-shaped recovery and was trying to stabilize, and then we're having a pullback. Again, we'll see what's gonna be happening in the next couple of weeks. Are we gonna have the recession or not? We'll see how they go. Gold is again aiming to make a new all-time high, trading pretty close to the new all-time high. Maybe we'll see in the next couple of days a new all-time high on the gold. That would be pretty interesting to see. And obviously for the Bitcoin, waiting for the recovery to go back at least to the 200 EMA on a daily time frame. So it's pretty much all TA for today. Let's move on to the news. First news coming from MasterCard, which launches crypto card linked directly to your private wallet, which is a great thing to hear. You know, back in the previous news, I'm pretty sure like a week ago, we had like some platform that is using Bitcoin Lightning. You can directly send your Bitcoin to the bank. Now it's directly from a bank to the private wallet, which is great to have. Again, we're trying to stay more decentralized here, so this would help. Also in the news, Bitcoin has had more trading hours since launching in 2009 than the stock market since 1971. Again, this is pretty bullish, pretty positive news to hear. for the Bitcoin. At least some positivity there again during these red candles. Also in the news coming from Telegram CEO, which is Pavel Durov, he releases first statement since his arrest in France. Again, if you want to watch this statement, you can check my Discord. I will post it there for a full to read the full statement. Also on the news, Trump will create Government Efficiency Commission, which they've been talking about with Elon Musk during their interview on X.com. So obviously, this commission will be led by Elon Musk to audit US agencies if he wins the current election, obviously Donald Trump. Also on the news, Kamala Harris tax plan, which again back in the previous news we had like not a clear plan what exactly net worth should be or income should be for additional taxes. So now the tax plan is a little bit more clear. 28% capital gain tax if you earn more than $1 million. So it's like a tax the rich type of plan, I guess. So if you earn $1 million plus, 28% capital gain tax. It's a pretty rough one. Also, FTC urges to be cautioned as Bitcoin ATM frauds skyrocketing. Again, it's a pretty good thing to be cautious and do your due diligence and pay attention to any scams, stuff like that. It's exists in crypto and in Bitcoin. So yeah, it's pretty much all news for the day. Obviously hoping for a recovery to go back to the 60k zone, to go above 200 EMA, to at least to the neutral zone of the falling channel on a daily time frame, which would be pretty great. And obviously go above it, to hit the top of the falling channel and finally try to make new all-time high, which probably will happen during the bull cycle. But again, we'll see. We got 4 days left till the debate between Kamala Harris and Donald Trump. We'll see how that would go. Also, we got like 2 months left till the US election. It's what the biggest probably event that everybody's waiting right now, even in the crypto or any other financial market. So yeah, to the moon.